Greeting once again, it's Taki, and this video I will show you how to get a job in this new year and with something is really help you, like it is helpful thing and it is well known thing to use it to present yourself on your future companies or so on. So we will present Europass resume as the most wanted or the most known model of your resume. If you are co-worker or you just need to have a job and you will sign your resume and so on, so the Europass is here for you. So first thing which is you need to get the Europass.eu website, and then you are sign up with your email and you get a link in your inbox. Then you will create the modpass, the password, and then you will access to your account, and then you will receive this interface you need to get from scratch. And here you will need to fill all the information that you need for resume, and for the last step you will have that resume is ready to deploy and to communicate with. I hope this tool can help you. It helps me personally, it helps every one of my friends that it is asking about recommended website or tool to present themselves as resume. So I hope you like the video, enjoy, and peace.